Hello mga langga, ang topic natin ngayon ay solving quadratic equations by completing the squares, Math Grade 9. Paano ba natin i-solve ang quadratic equation if the trinomial ax squared plus bx plus c cannot be factored? And by adding the quantity of b over 2 squared sa binomial na x squared plus bx para makuha na natin ang perfect trinomial. Ang magiging formula ng perfect trinomial ay ang x squared plus bx plus the quantity of b over 2 squared is equal to the quantity of x plus b over 2 squared. Para maintindihan, bigyan ko kayo ng example. Ito, solve the binomial x squared plus 6x. Para makuha natin ang sagot, gagamit tayo ng formula ng x squared plus bx plus the quantity of b over 2 squared is equal to the quantity of x plus b over 2 squared. To solve the binomial x squared plus 6x, so ito lang yung given natin, x squared plus 6x. Gagamitan natin ito ng formula ng x squared plus bx plus the quantity of b over 2 squared is equal to x, the quantity of x plus b over 2 squared. So, para ma-perfect natin yung trinomial, hahanapin natin yung value ng the quantity of b over 2 squared at saka yung b over 2. So, based dito sa given natin, ang b natin is equal to 6. So, kapag isolve na natin yung b over 2, ang value ng b natin, ang b kasi natin, ayan yung number na katabi ng variable. So, dito sa ano natin, na given, ang katabi ng variable is ang 6. So, hahanapin na natin yung the quantity of b over 2 squared. So, substitute the value of b which is equal to 6. So, 6 divided by 2. Yung 2 dito ay galing sa formula. So, lagay natin yung exponent. So, i-divide na muna natin yung nasa loob ng parentheses. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. So, yung exponent is 2. 3 times 3 is 9. So, meron na tayong sagot dito sa b over 2 squared. The quantity of b over 2 squared which is equal to 9. Yan. So, ito na naman yung hahanapin natin, yung b over 2. So, ang b over 2 natin, again, yung b natin is 6. So, ito 6. Tapos, divided by 2, galing sa formula ang 2. So, 6 divided by 2 is 3. So, ngayon, meron na tayong value ng b over 2 which is equal to 3. Kopyahin lang natin to, ibaba lang natin. Kopyahin natin yung x plus substitute the value of b over 2 which is equal to 3. Sulat na natin yan. Yung 3. So, 3. Tapos yung exponent, huwag natin kalimutan ilagay. 2. So, ganito lang ang pag-solve kapag naghahanap ka ng idagdag para ma-complete ang trinomial. So, this is our final answer. So, ganyan lang ang pag-solve. Sana naintindihan at marami pang example sa susunod. So, ito na muna kasi mahaba-haba na. Thank you!